Hey everyone, John Ender here from School of Trade, and today we're going to be taking a look at a last chance wave here on the Russell. Let me get my orders in place here. Go to 89.6. Normally I would put it just, right on 89.9, maybe a tick ahead of it, but the problem is we have these previous swings back here make me a little bit nervous, maybe even go one tick ahead of that at 89.5. We'll keep an eye on it. And because of those swings, really can't expect it to go much higher, but we will put our secondary target right at 90.9. Now in this case, we got that swing high back here that is perfectly fine where it is. So 90.9 for that final one there. And just look into the long side on this last chance wave. Now, the reason I like this wave setup right here is we tried pushing lower and we tried pushing lower, and then we kind of had this little bit of a fake break low where they tried breaking lower here and then just shot right back up. And that complete rejection from the buyers just holding those lows gives me a lot of confidence to the upside here, at least to give it a crack to go back up to those highs at 92.5. Now we may not make it there, but it looks really nice for a potential entry, and plus it's really cheap to buy it down here. It's almost making a new low down here. It means our stop doesn't have to be that far away. Just a beautiful area to go in. So looking up, and there we go, got our target right there. So first target filled, 88.7. Let's get our stop to break even here, and let's just ride out the last bit of it here. So again, next target 89.6. We're front running these little swings back here, so that hopefully should be far enough. I don't want to get too far away from the target, but I don't want to get stuck with these areas of resistance in the way either. So we got our first target filled there, 87.0 up to 88.7. It gives us 17 ticks. We took 2 contracts off there. If we get this next target filled up here, that'll be another 26. And then if we can get that final runner target up here at 90.9, we'll be looking at 39. So overall, the potential on the trade, we're looking at 2 off at 17, which is 34. Then we have 26, and then 39 gives us 99 ticks. I hate it when it ends up being 99. So we've got 99 ticks potential on the trade here if we can get it filled all the way up. And so far, so good. It looks pretty nice. It was a pretty quick reaction from the buyers at those lows, shooting it higher here, which is kind of what you want to see. So just kind of sitting on hands right now, and we're pushing back up. May not have to pause it very long here. Next target, 89.6. And again, after that, looking at 90.9, and we'll just trail our stop up along with this if we continue moving higher here. It may even be a little bit aggressive on the stop, depending on how this kind of sets up. Because, I mean, it's not really counter trend. I mean, if you zoom out, you can see that we've been rising all morning. So we are with the trend. The reason that would make me want to be a little bit more aggressive is just the fact that we kind of had this little bit of a pullback here, and typically when you have these drops off the high like that, it's going to want to pull back down again first. So it makes me a little bit nervous. But we got that second target filled at 26. I'm going to be aggressive, and I'm going to lock my stop in a little bit higher, 88.3, and then just looking for the next move up to 90.9, and we'll see if the stop will hold us in. Otherwise, we'll take our target at 39 ticks. So far, so good. We'll be back in a little bit. All right, we're back. We're coming 1 tick away from our target. So because we're 1 tick away from our target, I don't want to give it any room there, so we'll lock our stop in and got it filled. Perfect. 39 ticks on the trade. 99 ticks, $990 on the upside. Beautiful little move there. 4 contracts long. It drives me nuts when it's 990 when it could be 1,000, but that's fine. 1 tick's not a huge deal, and I'll take 99 ticks any day of the week. So that's going to be the trade for today. Last chance wave long on the Russell, rather. And beautiful trade, 99 ticks. So if you have any questions, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com. And as always, we'll catch you next time.